Welcome to China Tanfon. Today we are doing the test of our 100 kW hybrid solar system. This is our 100 kW hybrid inverter. It can automatically to start and close the diesel generator. Here I have two sets of the MPPT built-in. This inverter we have the isolation transformer. It is more impact resistant, suitable for motor roads. Here is the EMS. It can count wheel and remote control the whole set solar system. Here I have the screen to show you all the data of this whole set solar system. This is our lithium battery. The capacity is 200 kWh. All of our lithium battery come from the EVE original battery. Each battery have very strict quality inspection. Before shipment, it passed 100 jet tests in CNAS-certified laboratories. 2,000 hours of the continuous full load operation at 45 degrees. And 25 adaptability tests for grid voltage fluctuation. Compared with other designs of the same type, this one is an intelligent high-end design. Designed for countries with unstable power supply and supports three-phases unbalanced loads. It is especially suitable for commercial place, such as hotel, shopping mall, factory, and office, to prevent damage caused by phases imbalance. And we provide 5 years of the free predictive maintenance service to save your operation and maintenance cost. This 100 kW hybrid solar system, we use 176 pieces of the solar panels. The daily power generation is 600 kWh. The solar panel installation space is about 528 square meters. If you have any interest about our solar system, welcome to contact us. We will provide you with the cost-effective solar solutions.